All right, question number 3. Examine the growth ratios for problems 1 and 2 shown below. So problem 1, we had a 4% increase, and our growth ratio was 1.04. Problem 2, we had a 6% increase, and our growth ratio was 1.06. So is there a way to determine the growth ratio without using an exponential regression? And the answer to that one is yes. So we can figure out that 4% is the amount that it's increasing, but it's increasing from our original percent of 100%. So for problem number 1, we had 100% of the cost, which was the $300, and then we added that to 4%, which gave us a total of 104%. And then remember, we've got to move the decimal 2 spots to be 1.04. And the same thing was true for problem 2. We started out with 100% of the population, and then we added 6% of the population. So 100 plus 6% is going to give us 106%, which once again, as we move the decimal, it would then be 1.06. So then question B, what would the growth ratio for each of the following percent increases be? So if we have 3%, we've got to add 100% onto that, which gives us 103%. But then we've got to move the decimal 2 spots to turn that into a decimal, and it'll be 1.03. 1.03. Next one's going to be 4.5%. So add that to 100%. We get 104.5%. Move the decimal 2 spots, 1, 2, and we get 1.045 as our growth ratio. Okay, this last one, 12%, I want you to do on your own, and then submit that answer to me on Socrative.